How to grow lots of tomatoes for beginners. Today we're diving into one of the most popular crops for beginners, tomatoes. Whether you're dreaming of juicy slices for your salads or planning to make your own pasta sauce, growing tomatoes can be incredibly rewarding. Stick around as we share some tips to help you grow lots of tomatoes in your garden. First things first, let's talk about choosing the right varieties. For beginners, it's best to start with determinate varieties. These types of tomatoes grow to a certain height, set fruit, and then ripen all at once, making them ideal for a steady harvest. Some popular determinate varieties include Roma, Celebrity, and Patio Princess. These varieties are often disease-resistant and perfect for small spaces like containers or raised beds. Once you've chosen your varieties, it's time to plant your tomatoes. Tomatoes love warm weather, so make sure to plant them after the last frost date in your area and choose a sunny spot. 6 to 8 hours of sunlight is ideal for tomato plants. This does not have to be consistent hours, it can be accumulated hours. Tip: if planting in containers, you can move your plants from one location to another to make sure they get the amount of sunlight needed. Plant in well-drained soil. If planting in containers, remember to put drainage holes in the bottom and place them on a drain pan if there is a concern about the area getting wet, such as a patio. Space your plants about 2 feet apart to allow for good air circulation. When planting, bury the stem of the tomato plant deep into the soil. This encourages the plant to develop a strong root system, which will support a healthy plant and a bountiful harvest. Now let's talk about caring for your tomato plants. Tomatoes need regular watering, especially during dry spells. Water at the base of the plant to avoid wetting the leaves, which can lead to disease. Fertilize your plants at planting to provide them with the nutrients they need to thrive. However, if you're planting in soil that already contains fertilizer, there's no need to add more at this stage. And don't forget to stake or cage your plants to support them as they grow and produce fruit. Despite your best efforts, you may encounter some common tomato issues, such as pests or diseases. Keep an eye out for signs of trouble, like yellowing leaves or spots on the fruit. If you do notice any issues, there are organic solutions you can try, like neem oil or insecticidal soap. Lastly, don't forget to harvest your tomatoes regularly to encourage more fruit to grow. Tomatoes are ready to pick when they're fully colored and slightly soft to the touch. And there you have it, folks. With the right varieties, proper planting techniques, and a little care, you can grow lots of tomatoes in your garden. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening!